Hey there, so this is a video tutorial on how to change the colors within the cells. This is regarding my Airbnb booking calendar. This is the manual booking version 2.0. I've got a couple of versions of this spreadsheet because everyone wants to book differently, and that's cool. So here is the instructions. I'm going to scoot this up. Okay, so if you've got your booking happening in January, oh, hold on. Okay, so each one of these books for a different month, right? So we've got the whole thing here. So you can select the month in the drop-down box. It changes the numbers, but it doesn't change the X's. So that's why we have to have 12 different tabs. Okay, but if you wanted to change the colors to know that it's in there, and when people are booked, you just click this button to fill the color and choose whatever color you want, and ta-da, it fills the color. I did have a version that it was filling in automatically, but the system was so slow, and then it decided it was going to choose some and not all, and it was just a mess. And so we've got two versions. So this one is just manual. If you wanted to change the colors, that's how to do it. Fill, um, highlight your colors, and then you just pick a color. And that's it. If you want to undo it, you just can hit Control Z and it undoes it for you. So anyways, that's how it works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Feel free to click in the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet if you haven't done already. Thanks, guys.